With our new add-on ApprovalMax Capture, you can easily upload documents directly in ApprovalMax and have the data recognized automatically. Let's see how it works. We start by creating a bill in ApprovalMax. When you select Upload via ApprovalMax Capture, advanced OCR technology processes the attachment you upload and populates the bill fields. ApprovalMax Capture converts the data from uploaded documents into an accessible digital version and automates the tedious task of manual data entry. You can also create bills in bulk. For this, upload either multiple files simultaneously or a single comprehensive file that has individual documents on each page. So handling even large volumes of bills is now easier, faster, and more efficient. Another option is to receive files via a dedicated ApprovalMax email address to start the automated data recognition from there. When you set up a unique ApprovalMax email address and share it with your suppliers, they can send their invoices straight there for OCR processing. For bills created from emails, you have two choices for the default status. They can be saved as drafts for further review by requesters or sent directly to On Review or On Approval. Bills that are processed this way can be viewed, edited, and submitted from the Captured by Me list by the person selected as a submitter. ApprovalMax automatically validates all attachments from incoming emails. If the validation is successful, a separate bill will be created for each attachment on behalf of the submitter. Depending on your settings, the request status will be set to Draft, On Review, or On Approval. Thank you for watching our tutorial.